Hello people, in this video we are looking at this book, Exam Preparatory Manual for Undergraduates, Community Medicine. Basically this is a preventive and social medicine book to prepare you for the exam. Okay, so this is by Dr. Vivek Jain, isn't it? This book is going to be more like a solved question bank type of a book for you. Let's look at this book. Before that, let's look at the images here. Flea, mosquito, is there a Fucheraria or some filaria? This is a larva of mosquito if I'm not wrong. Anatomical waste, how will you manage? Biomedical waste. This is a sand fly, is it? What is this? What do you think this is? Take a guess. And this is poison. Aris green. So a lot of images they have put here. Let's look inside this book now. So the content, let us look at. Section 1 is annexures. What is annexures? So some things which are very important, the tables like Kupuswamy scale, modified BG Prasad scale for socio-economic status, consumption unit means all those calculations, right? Cereal pulse, all that, calorific values of food you should know, like idli is how much, dosa is how much. Key age group definitions like who is an adolescent, who is a newborn, who is an early newborn, all those things, who is elderly, whom do you call, all that you should know. Then high level expert group report, new biomedical waste management guidelines, public health statistics. Then you have theory examination, how to pass, and practical examination, how to pass. Nice. So in annexures, let's look at some annexures. Consumption unit. Okay, sedentary worker, male sedentary worker is one consumption unit coefficient. Then calorific items, we already told you, idli, dosa, vada, sambar. Then age groups, like we told you, who is an ovum, who is a neonate, early neonate, late neonate, etc., etc., etc. Then who is a juvenile, all that you should know. Healthcare, so you have level 1 is villages, etc. Then level 5 is medical college. Then this is your pyramid for what? Healthcare delivery architecture, biomedical waste management, public health statistics. You should know the latest statistics, isn't it? What is the Human Development Index of India? This is still very old, I think. This should be made even more latest. Then fertility indicators. What is MMR? You should know. Basically, MMR is a maternal mortality indicator, right? That is the ratio. So all that you should know. So in India, they are saying actually it is 113, and I think it's even less now, per 1 lakh live births. Okay, so some tables they have given. Let's move on. So then they told you about, they will talk to you about what did I say about your theory examination. So they're talking about vaccines, so you should know what immunity is, active immunity, passive immunity. You should know about vaccines, which are the live vaccines, all that. I was thinking this is more of a question answer format, but it doesn't look like a question answer format. It's more of a textbook kind of a thing only, isn't it? So when the book's name said Exam Preparatory Manual, somehow I assumed that it is actually question answer type, but it doesn't look like question answer type. But looks like in every chapter, very, very important things are kind of concisely given in this book. However, is this enough to pass your community medicine? This is more like for your MCQs or NEET PG kind of thing, because community medicine, the questions they ask so vague. They want you to write some vague kind of things. This is very good where there are specific points. Now let us say in the exam they'll ask you about ASHA worker. Okay, what and all they have told you. She will, there'll be 2 ASHA workers per 1,000. Then she's an interface between community and healthcare. How will you select ASHA? She should be of local community. She should be 25 to 45 years. Okay, she should have studied at least up to 10th if possible. And then what are the responsibility of an ASHA worker? Actually, this is nice. Kind of nice, but I wish also they had put a photo of an ASHA worker, the pink sari or chudidar that they wear, right? This is usually a female worker, isn't it? Did they mention anywhere here that, yeah, it's a woman selection criteria, ASHA worker. Janani Suraksha Yojana. And at the end of every chapter, they are giving you interesting read, which we will not read anyways, because if it is extra, we will never read. Long question, what is the problem due to population explosion? Short notes that they will ask you. See, nobody asked about population explosion so far. In any community medicine, internal or external, they never asked. For me, mostly what and all they asked, they'll ask you about sample registration system, because that is where you get your MMR, all those things come from there. Total fertility rate, all that is important. Demographic cycle, net reproduction rate, okay. Census, all this you should know. Difference between data and information. I think somehow this book doesn't go with your textbook standards. To me, this is more like a PG book kind of a thing. PG entrance book, I mean. Okay, at least there is some Viva question and answer, which is very good. What is demography? In the scientific study of human population, it is the scientific study of human population. Crude birth rate means what? Crude death rate means what? Total fertility rate means what? Okay. What is replacement level? What is data? What is information? What is sex ratio? Fetus? The only thing I like about it is the answer is right there. Question and answer type for Viva, something you can read here. Okay, some images are also there, unlike your Park textbook, which is very, very dry. What I would suggest is, if you are planning to use this book because it is very to the point answers, then what you should do is you should have a question bank which will tell you the important questions, and for those questions you should come and look for the answer here. Okay, that would be better. So all your spotters are also there, but where are the images? Spot, but where are the spotters as such? Wait, can't find the spotters actually. So about this book, guys, exam preparatory manual for undergraduates. This book is very to the point, and I think you should still have a question bank which tells you the important questions. Then you can come here and look at the important points. Park is your full guide, okay? This book is to the points, which is nice. So just take a look at it. That's all for now, guys. Bye-bye.